Colisure kit reading. After incubation, the Colisure tray can be used to determine the most probable number, or MPN, of coliforms and Escherichia coli in your sample. First, the number of large wells that have turned a magenta colour are recorded. Make sure the single very large well is included in this number. The number of small wells that are magenta are then recorded. Next, the tray is illuminated using a UV light box. Record the number of large wells that fluoresce, again including the single very large well, and the number of small wells that fluoresce. In order to determine the most probable number of coliforms, look down the left-hand column until you find the number of large magenta wells observed. Now look across the top row to find the number of small magenta wells. Where this line intersects, a line drawn vertically from the number of small wells, the MPN of coliforms per 100 mL is given. Note that the MPN values are given in numbers per 100 mL. Repeat this process for fluorescing wells. Where the two lines intersect, the value for MPN for E. coli per 100 mL is given. This is standard procedure when recording water quality values.